Hello friends, welcome back to my channel The Indian Mom's Kitchen. Today's recipe is a super yummy and easy to make laddu recipe. Today we're going to make motichur but without making any bundi or deep frying anything. We're going to make this recipe. This recipe was given to me from a very old text found in some old kind of recipe book, where it says that first when motichur was made there was no jhara or mold for making bundis, and there was no concept of basin. So originally what was being done was chana dal was used as is, ground by hand on a mortar and pestle, and then laddus were made. So we're going to attempt it. Okay, we're not going to do it the old way and grind it in the mortar and pestle and all. We're going to use the mixie and all that. But still, this is the old and ancient recipe of how originally motichur laddu came into place. So let's begin today's recipe. For this I've soaked half a cup of chana dal for approximately 3 to 4 hours. I'm draining off the water and keeping it aside to drain for some time. And I'm transferring this dal into a mixie jar. I need to crush this lightly, not very finely, a bit coarsely. The coarse paste is ready. Now heat up a pan to which I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee. You can, if you don't want to use ghee, you can use another kind of oil like coconut oil or peanut oil in this too. But 1 tablespoon will be more than enough. Transfer the coarse paste into this and start shallow frying. Stir and shallow fry continuously. This will take a bit of time. What you're trying to do is to roast the dal slowly and making the moisture evaporate entirely. And as the dal mixture will start roasting, you can make out that it is turned into like grainy sand sort of mixture, and the color has also deepened. At this point, take it off the gas and keep it aside to cool. In another pan, in the meanwhile, while the dal is cooling, I've taken half a cup of sugar, to which I've added 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to make the sugar syrup. Keep this to boil. While this is boiling, let's check if the dal mixture has cooled down. It has. Now you can see there are big lumps in it. I need to crush this lightly, very lightly. Pulse it once or twice in the mixie to break down the big lumps. You're still going to have very coarse powder. Powder is ready. Keep it aside. We'll go back to the sugar syrup. We need to make the sugar syrup into a 1-string consistency, so continue boiling at high flame. For flavoring, I'm adding half a teaspoon of elaichi or cardamom powder. Here I'm adding a bit of orange food color. It's absolutely optional. If you don't want to add it, you can avoid it completely. The laddus will be a light yellow, sunny yellow color. That will be exactly how the natural dal color is. Here it is. I'm checking from a 1-string consistency. It's perfect. I'm going to pour this piping hot syrup into the dal mixture, and keeping this dal mixture on the flame on low, and I'm going to start mixing it. I want the dal to absorb the entire liquid. To keep stirring it so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. You can see that the syrup is being absorbed gradually by the dal mixture. At this point I'm adding 1 more tablespoon of ghee. So this entire laddu mixture has only taken up 2 tablespoons of ghee. Continue mixing. You can see that the mixture is drying out really very well. I'm adding some seeds and nuts to this. A handful of melon seeds, a few raisins or kismis, cashew nut broken finely. Mix everything well and take this mixture off the flame and keep it aside to cool lightly. Once it's slightly cool and it is easily can be handled, shape into laddus as shown. There you are, absolutely juicy motichur laddu without making bundis of deep frying anything is ready. and it is scrumptious. I hope you can make these during this festival season. There's so many festivals coming up like the Ganesh Chaturthi, Raksha Bandhan and so on and so forth. I hope the recipe is helpful to all of you, and I also hope that all of you give it a try. Let me break open a laddu and show you how juicy and moist the laddu is. There it is. Super yummy.